Yep, they bring out this, what is it called, jungle vibe and all of. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Tagalongai the Morning. I'm super excited to be back. So if you're new here, karibu sana, and consider subscribing to this channel. If you all just know this goal, and I thank you for always tuning in. So ladies and gentlemen, it's a fine morning where I am from. I don't know what time it is when you're watching this, but guys, it's in the morning. I really wanted to wake up maybe around 7, get ready by 8:30, I'd be out of the house, but sleep, and I was so exhausted. And it being a Saturday, I'm supposed to be like resting, but then I'm like, no, today I have to go outside the house. And yeah, so I'm wearing this dress. I'm going to try and show you later. And this trench coat, brown in color as well, and green shoes, jungle green shoes, and a black bag. So it's a rainy season, so I just want to be like, in case it rains when I'm outside, I'm at least in a better position to handle the rain. So I don't know how you look with this lipstick. It's long since I put on lipstick. I only put on lipstick and maybe some eye pencil on the eyes, nothing more. So yeah. So today we're going to be going to the national park, not national park necessarily, but Nairobi Safari Walk. And yeah, so let's do this, guys. I'm not going to waste much of your time, but let's do this. Guys, we're finally here. So we're going to go make payments. And yeah. So this is how it looks, so green. It's a rainy season, so everything is green, green, green. So yeah, so let's do this. So wherever you can see that car house over there, that parking lot over there, that's where we're going. And then make payments and then go in. So there's some zebras over there. There are lions, not lions, but buffaloes. There's an ostrich. Yeah, so yeah, guys, I made it in. So I've made a few rounds, and as you can see, we're still in, you know. So actually, for the payments, it's only 300 Kenyan shillings from 215, I think. What else? What else? But I paid 550 because I also want to go to the orphanage. So yeah, so I'll just make a few rounds, enjoy the views, and then go to the orphanage, and then that's it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I don't know, I don't want to speak because a few people, I really wanted to come in the morning, but I slept. So yeah, look how cute the place is. Like you can actually make videos here. You can actually, you know, it's nice. They've made this place look so cute. The grills, the what do we call the footpath is so nice. So this is how the place looks. So actually there are not much animals here, only the baboons. It's just a few here and there, you know. So yeah, I don't know if I'm going to get somebody to take me a video because why not? So yeah, so let's walk. So yeah, this is the old walk trail, and that's the new one. So this is a bit of, yeah, this one is the old one, but there was also another old one, and then they built this, and then they came up with that one, which is nice. That is made of concrete. This one is wood only. So let's proceed. It's actually much better than walking on the ground because of the wild animals. You know, they might be dangerous or not. So they're actually dangerous since they're wild animals. So it's always safer walking up here. So let me just take a little bit of a video, me walking. Yeah. There's some baby antelopes over here, guys. Let me show you. Guys, what's the difference between a gazelle and an antelope? Yeah, there's some small ones here. They're babies.
Amelala hapa.
Ni kivuli.
Si mke analalisha nini?
Jitingishe. Guys, there's a giraffe. There's a giraffe over here eating. Oops. Giraffe. So yeah guys, I've come to this other part. It's just on the ground, so that's what I'm just going around. Then see what you're gonna find. So far so good. We've seen a giraffe so up close. There it is, there it is. Yeah, so let's proceed. I know in this video I'm not speaking much because I hate speaking in public, like speaking to myself. Actually I'm talking to the vlog, but or actually to you guys, but at times it's so hectic, so I just do the video. I hope you just, you know, enjoy it as it is, and I hope you enjoy it. You are enjoying it so far. So yeah, let's proceed to the next one. I don't know if I should take a picture or just go here. So yeah, let's move on. And guys, I came here alone, and let me tell you guys, it's not easy traveling or going to places alone, because you go to places and sorry about that, there's an airstrip here. The what Wilson Airport is here, so that's why the airplanes are up and down, up and down. So as I was saying, it's hard like traveling alone, because unaenda unapata people are in a group or so it becomes hard. So yeah, but anyway, we have to bear with everything, and that's it. No.
Dubai.
Unaona ikitengeneza masikio it's responding to you.
Dubai.
Amuka. Ikitengeneza masikio na Dubai. Ndio dikata sauti yangu.
Mara nijitangaza.
Cyane naye nimendi kure. Lakini ni kichwa nzito sana, haiwezi kutia juu sana, inapeleka chini.
Dubai.
Hiyo sauti ndio nasikia.
Stand up.
Mbona?
Stand. Ukiingelesha tasimama. Talk to it. Isimame. Oh.
It's among the big five.
Dubai.
Look at that small animal over there. Look at this. This is a monkey business, and there's another one over there, the roof. It's like sunbasking. So he's wondering, why am I caged? So there's this one. It's a pig. It's a wild pig. Look at that. So the planes are just flying so low because the airstrip, as I said, the airport is just next here, Wilson Airport. So yeah, so look at that. Let me zoom in. It's a wild pig, if I'm not wrong. It resembles a pig. It looks like a warthog in front. Or is it a warthog? Look at that. And it's feeding on its knees. I don't know why. And I remind, it's only 300 Kenyan shillings from 215. So from where you are, you just pay transport and then entrance. But if you want to go to the orphanage as well, you can pay 500 for both, like, which is actually reasonable because it's like you've paid half to 50 to 50. So yeah. So enough of that. So let's go to the next. Look at that. Roy is resting. I don't know if it is resting or it's sunbasking, sunbathing. And they are being fed greens, veggies. Yeah, I don't know if they're vegetarian or what, but yeah. Yeah, it's just a love.
Wama.
Angalia itu ya rumah. Naik nama. Naik itu. Ini ya.
And there is a hippo over here, guys. I don't know how we're going to view the head, so let me go on the other side and then what? We see. There you go. Ooh. It doesn't have any hair. I think it wants to bathe, but the water is so little. Yeah, so that's wherever we came in from. So we're gonna exit from the other side, from there, wherever we entered from. Not entered where we started from, there's an exit. So we go see, we're gonna go to the what? To the animal orphanage. So let's go. Maybe we're gonna see animals up close more than here. So yeah. So let's head on.
Hey.
I really love how these palm trees are. So cute, so nice. Yep. They bring out these, what is it called, jungle vibe and all of that. And then there's this other tree over here, indigenous tree. I don't know if it is the Mogumo tree or what. So yeah, let's go to the orphanage, guys. So guys, tuko ndani, African crown crane. Yay! These are birds. Look at this, it's so cute. Let's see that other one. Look at it. And there's another one over up there. Let's try to zoom in. Look at that. Look at its head. Here we have the lions. There are two of them. They're just, whew. They're so impatient. Look at how they are roaming. So for those people, if you don't have the cash to go to the, what is it called? The safari, you can always come to the orphanage, or you can always go to the safari walk. There we also saw one lion, yeah? Here we go to, and these ones look like females. They're so strong. Look at the pose. I can't imagine them just saying this is meat, free meat, and I cannot access it, yeah? It's sleeping. It's a small, it's a cub. Is it called a cub or a small? What is it? This one. Look at this one. Wow, guys, you need to come here. Like, you don't have to have lots of money. Save at the end of every month, you visit some place, you know. Ooh, look at that. So yeah, those are cheetahs. So relaxed. They are so relaxed, and like the lions. The lions are so like, it's as if they're pissed off at something. Look at how calm the cheetahs are. And then here we got the serval cats. So yeah, there are two of them as well. Look at it. the white-tailed mongoose. This is a mongoose, really. The lions here and the others that are big, so huge. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Let me zoom in. Look at how huge it is. And there's this other one, which is a sheep. Oh my god. On this side, we got some lions, not lions, sorry, but crocodiles. There's this one over there. You can see it. It's sunbasking or sunbathing. Then there's this other one here. So yeah, guys, as you can see, its mouth is wide open. So this is how it waits for something to, it just pretend it's dead, but it's not. So when a prey goes in, it just shuts its mouth like that. I don't know if you've seen that. Oh, so yeah, guys, there's a porcupine over there. Yeah, I guess it's only one. What do porcupines eat, by the way? Yes, they eat herbivorous. Okay. Okay. Ooh. See from here. Look, look. Wow. So beautiful. So beautiful. Hi, majestic
I wonder
bird.
what it takes to remove all those feathers.
All those feathers and to straighten them up.
Yeah.
Don't give it your heart. Don't give it your beautiful feathers. Should I help you? No. Okay. All by yourself? Wow. Huh? What did it do? So yeah, and here we go, a buffalo, guys. This is a buffalo. Buffalo soldier. It just looks like a cow, only that it's wild. In some places. There's so many lions around here. This is another one here. It's alone. Yeah. So I just feel like lions are so many. Despite everything. So yeah. And look at how this hyena is so big, guys. This is a hyena. It's because it's being fed. It's not hunting. It's not looking for its own food. I think so. Because it's so healthy and lonely. So yeah, guys, I'm done with that place. Yeah, so I'm headed home, and for the experience, actually it's nice. I don't know why I'm doing this extra or whatever when I'm here, but I just feel like there's nice lighting. So I'm done with the place. It's only 500 shillings for both the orphanage and the safari walk. So for the safari walk is 300. For the orphanage alone, I'm not sure, I didn't ask, but you can always search online. So yeah, and you pay via e-citizen, you pay via the phone like M-Pesa or whatever. There is no cash. So yeah, for those people who've never seen lions, for those people who've never seen leopards, all those animals, kindly come to this place. And yeah, bring your kids. So I hope you enjoyed the video actually, because I tried my best to vlog, and it was kind of insane because there are people. I'm usually shy when it comes to speaking when there are people around. So yeah, I just feel nice. Yes, I was there alone, but in case you have somebody you can come with, you can always come with them. Company, maybe kids, maybe your friends, maybe your hubby, maybe whoever, maybe your girlfriend or your boyfriend, whoever, or your friend, whichever. So yeah, as for me, it was alone, but I really enjoyed it because it's always good to try things on your own. I've actually been traveling alone. I've actually been doing stuff on my own. So yeah, I'm used to it, only that I'm not used to speaking in public. Yeah. So anyway, that's it for today's video. If you loved this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you loved the video, let me know in the comment section. So yeah, so I'm at the footbridge, you know. So I'm headed home. So I'll just go to the other side and then pick a vehicle and then head to Nairobi. So till next time, bye bye.